This time on Irate Garage, we're going to throw an alternator on this 2001 Ford F350 Superduty with a 7.3 Powerstroke. It is cold, it is windy, it is snowing. Let's get into it. I'm going to start with the connections on the back here. Oh, that connector is not very happy, is it? I've already disconnected the batteries. I haven't mentioned that yet. That's a 10 millimeter. Wow, that is loose. Something is spinning. Not sure what. There it goes. So what this was doing was I was getting inconsistent charging, and the something was discharging the battery over the course of the week. I usually only drive this once a week. Now everything else seems fine, so I'm thinking the alternator is bad. Freaking out. And it's about to get cold, so I want to go ahead and do this now. Oh, that does not want to move. So we'll push tab here. Normally that's all you gotta do, but it's a little chilly. Of course, it does it right before it gets cold. There we go. Typical stuff, just tension off, and that's all I do. All right, I'll just leave that in place. And now we just take the alternator off. 13 millimeters. All right, try that again. There we go. There we go. I like these mid-torque impacts. They're pretty nice. Make sure these are all the same length. And it appears that they are. There we go. Oh, that sounds gross. Yeah, it's probably time either way. And here we are with a new alternator. I got an AC Delco. Brand new on Amazon. They are like $160. So, pretty inexpensive, really. So I'm down with that. I'm all about saving a buck where I can. The remans for this are more for whatever reason. Now these alternators just kind of sit here. A little bit of wiggle in there. So we're gonna make sure that we get that on there and lined up right. Basically just line up the dirt, I guess. Snug. Snug. Looks lined up to me. Now run it down. You want to make sure you torque that to spec. You want to make sure you torque that to spec. Do as I say, not as I do. All right. I will endeavor not to lose this nut like I did the other one. As the snow blows in. Tight. You don't want to go too tight, you can break the post off. I've never done that. And then click. Make sure that's locked in. Now we'll put the belt back on. You also want to count the ribs on that, make sure it's the same. It's 8 on this truck. And then I get everything lined up on the pulleys, on the ribbed pulleys. And then knock the light down. And then get everything lined up on the ribbed pulleys. And then I'll fish it onto this smooth one here. Lined up on the ribs. There we go. It's a good time to check the health of your belt and hook your batteries back up. Ooh, that's quite the angry spark. It's cold and the batteries are a little drained, so I don't know if this is going to fire right up or not. Last chance to eyeball that belt and make sure that it is lined up nicely. I need a key for the truck. They tend to start better that way. All right, let's see if this will start. It's currently under 11 volts. We'll see. There we go. Now, if you got a Powerstroke, the alternator won't start charging right away. It'll take it a minute to actually kick on. The PCM won't command it to charge until the glow plugs have shut off. There we go. Look at that. Nice and stable. I like it. We'll let it run for a little bit, charge the batteries, run it around. Make sure that belt pulley alignment is good enough. If you have that crooked, it could kick the belt, right? So you want to make sure that's good. If you look right here, you'll probably see another video on this truck. If you look over here, I'll have a playlist of things that I've done to this truck up to this point and other 7.3 shenanigans. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one.